Hello there, my name is T. Levon Lawrence, and if you're wondering how a styrofoam cooler could possibly keep the things inside it ice cold for days, like this one right here, it's not your average cooler. This is a LoBoy cooler. So, what makes a LoBoy cooler different? Well, LoBoy coolers come standard with thicker walls, fully fused construction, leak-tested quality, and independent lab-tested insulation. A LoBoy Styrofoam cooler delivers serious cold retention without the added weight, higher prices, or preheating requirements you get from a hard-sided cooler. In fact, hunters, seafood shippers, pharmacies, even event planners, they trust LoBoy because these coolers keep stuff ice cold for days, not just hours. Period. Want to see the full lineup? Head to styrofoamcoolers.com. And if you've got questions, call us direct at 888-243-1112, where you'll talk to a real person who knows styrofoam coolers inside and out. When it absolutely has to stay cold for extended periods, the answer is LoBoy.